Here's a '04 Jetta 09A automatic transmission. Here's the code I was coming up. This started on a road trip and went into limp mode. It also had a warm transmission temperature code, which I cleared and did not come back. And it was stuck in third gear for my drive home. And here's how I went about fixing it. This video won't be that entertaining, but hopefully it is informative and let you have the confidence to do this on your own and help somebody out. Then it was worth doing. So this is the rear transmission bracket. It just goes up right here, from here to there, then take a ratchet strap, hook right there on the motor, and pull back. That opens up right here, gives you a lot of room. You can get your hand in there, pull this cover off, and then this bracket bolts to that pan cover and holds your electrical lines and power steering line. Then the other thing is right back there is another line for the power steering line, and undoing that gives you a lot more access after you pull the motor back. Starting on shift solenoids on this 2004 Volkswagen. There's a few here, there's some way up here. They're all about the same but different brackets. So I'll show you what I can as I go. And the solenoids themselves are really straightforward. These are the used ones and about how they sit after I pull them out. They only go one way, they're all different, they all fit. It's real easy, you just unplug them, trade them back in. The whole job itself was 2 hours, but I didn't get to film much because you couldn't see between my hands. So here's your fill plug. Just kind of wiggle it, it'll pop off. It's got these tamper-proof tabs. You just pry and it'll pop loose, and then some O-rings to seal it. It'll go back on, no big deal. You took out about 3.5 quarts, so that's what we'll put in. Here's my little funnel. Then I found if you hold your jug sideways, it's a lot easier to pour without it chugging, and a lot more precise. You do have to pull your shift selector, but if you paint your bolt adjustment like that beforehand, you can put it back in the same spot and save yourself some headache on the way back together.